phone. She come push your whole phone out your hand.
Because these cats love to do like this.
What will happen when you let your intrusive thoughts win? Puppy, the ducks don't want to play with you.
Sorry, guys.
Oh my god, I can't see.
Is this pup's dictionary don't bite means don't stop the fun? Deciding whether flowers belong in the garden or the belly. Looks like he's invented a new game. He calls it Fetch and Hide.
It's babysitting people.
He didn't.
She come push your whole phone out your hand.
Boys.
He's trying. Oh, yeah, you could start this one. Hello.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Get it! Get it! Get it!
Sweetheart, do you want to get out?
World-class trick. Jumping rope double.
Get away.
Take good girl.
Get away.
Good
Don't touch
girl.
me. Don't touch me. Don't.
He didn't.
Snowball. Ow. Hi, Snowball.
Who's that? Who is it?
Thank you, Life Joseph. Puppy and Pig. Why not one bowl when you can sample from all?
What are you? Ow!
Zapatero, ¿qué opina usted del gobierno de Zapatero? Pues igual que yo. ¿Y qué opina usted? ¿Qué opina usted?
唔知你撈型嗰部片。
Swiftly come in your plate.
Muñeca. Chorro de mierda. Te volé la guita. ¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué te
Because these cats love to do like this.
Wiggles must be the secret to a strategic ball-fetching maneuver. Since when did bath time become a team sport? Wiggles must be the secret to a strategic ball-fetching maneuver.
Get away.
Girl.
Tina, get in here. Come on. Tina. No. Tina.
And she's playing with your bell on her neck.
Like, I thought you were
She's so tiny. Oh,
Oopsie daisy.
oh. Hazel.
Why don't you want to share? hey, hey. Let me help you. I'm gonna get you.
It's alright. Maybe wait for the car.
Puppies are not just watching, they're bringing Paw Patrol to life.
Huh?
Dine and dash on another level if you come with the whole flock of your friends.
Too big. Had to get her a tablet. This is the only way she'll stay up out your.
What will happen when you let your intrusive thoughts win? Puppy, the ducks don't want to play with you.
Sorry, Grace.
How others see my gang of me when we're out on the streets.
My best friend used too much highlighting on her face. When your dog believes every backyard holds buried treasures.
Go ahead. Where are you going? Come on. No, 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 no. Come on. This way.
Look at you. You're the brave one. You want some? Come in. Help yourself. Yeah, why not?
What's happening? You see this? You see what she's doing? Because she's trying to scratch.
Get it.
Is that a baby possum?
Yeah. Get him.
Huh? Dine and dash on another level if you come with the whole flock of your friends.
Sam. Back on. Push good.
This is how he takes his revenge for late feeding. Big dog's patience level, infinite. Small dog's energy level, over 9,000.
Babysit TV.
What do you need? You need to be tucked in?
Go ahead. Where are you going? Come on. No, 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 no. Come on. This way.
Okay, okay, okay. Come here.
Bed, you. No! Yeah. Oh.
Ah, my goodness.
Scratch behind his ears, look.
He's trying to eat a pocket. He's trying to.
Oh.
He took a McDonald's wrapper. Oh shit.
Dream so good? It's much stronger than you. I'm out of here. Doggo listens to too many motivational speakers. Uh-oh, that horse is way bigger than you, puppy. Is this pup's dictionary don't bite means don't stop the fun?
Lagan imong baby koy. Lagan imong baby.
How others see my gang of me when we're out on the streets.
Deciding whether flowers belong in the garden or the belly.
We think Ember swallowed Mom's diamond ring. Hang on. So I'm checking for the chip. There's
That's her chip.
There's a ring.
Go! No! No! No!
Hand high toward the ceiling and then back toward the back of the mat as your left hand reaches toward the front of your mat.
What do you want to share?
Even tiny paws have the biggest stories to share.
What's happening? You see this? You see what she's doing? Because she's trying to scratch.
Is that a baby possum? Yeah. Get him. Yeah.
Lulu? Come in.
Since when did bath time become a team sport?
He's trying. Oh, yeah, you could start this one. Hello.
Come here, you. He's like, no.
Merlot.
We all need a little more spontaneity in our lives, right?
He's like, no. Merlot.
Sweetheart, do you want to get out?
Dream so good?
Too big.
Boys.
Scratch behind his ears, look. He's trying to eat a pocket. He's trying to.
Oh.
He's talking McDonald's.
Who's that? Who is it? Oh, Miley. Who's...
Hijo de puta. ¡Ey, devuelve la guita, ey!
What is it? Oh, little tiny little blood pudding. Oh, I thought you got the little spice of blood on your head. Ah, you're so cute.
They drained me.
2 peas in a stylish pod.